Hi, my Kendra. So as you can tell from the title, I'm going into a nighttime look, a nice bold nighttime look, and I had already had my makeup done for the daytime, so I didn't really need to do my face, but I needed to do my eyes. So as you can see here, I'm going in and reconstructing that brow. I'm going with both powder and with pencil to get the look that I want. So you can do either or, right? I'm incorporating the both, and then you will see I will conceal and clean those eyebrows up. So as you can see here, I'm using my concealer to, help even out my skin tone. I bringing it down onto my lids, and I'm going to blend that out onto my lids to, make it look nice and clean. So I now would be going in with my black eyeshadow, and I'm going all over my lower lid up onto my crease area there, and I'll be blending that color. So because I want this to be a gradient, I'm now going into my crease with a dark brown to help blend that shadow back up into my brows, right guys, to make it look like it's different steps. It didn't just was black, right? So that's what you see I'm doing here. I'm trying to blend the black with the brown, and also I'm using some translucent powder on the lighter part of my eyes, so where I had placed that concealer, and I'm helping blend everything. So the concealer color, which is a light, then it gets into the brown, which is darker than the lighter part there, and then I get into the black. And I'm not sure how well you all are seeing this on camera, right? But I had one beautiful shimmery black that I displaced all over that black to make it look a little silvery. I don't know if you all see that it looks silvery. Now let's go into the skin. In another video, I will go into depth on how you do this, but saying if it is you had a mistake on your skin and you need to redo that area, you first clean the skin off completely, taking everything off and going back with your foundation. So say if you have like mascara smudged on your skin, or you have some dark mark on your skin that you need to redo, this is how you do it. You take it off and you start over. So you go just like how you do your makeup with foundation first, and you blend that really well. Alright, next I'm going in with concealer, because this area is where I used concealer to begin with. And again, I'm blending really well. And you need to take your time in blending, because you need to, match the foundation, the base that you have before, etc. And then you set as you need with your setting powder, and then you need your mist, and that's it. Now let's do some lashes and some lips, and you do everything to do your reinforcement as you need to, right? Going with your little details as you need to, and that's basically it. And we have this beautiful black nighttime look, right? As you can see here, I'm doing my lips. I will be doing some lip combos for you all soon enough, right? I know I have so much I have to do for you guys, but it will be coming, don't you worry. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana at Static on both Instagram and on TikTok. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you all like this look, and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on notification bells, guys, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye.